Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to run a malware scan on Windows 11 in 2025. It's quick and easy, and it helps keep your PC safe from viruses and other harmful software. First, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box. Next, type MRT and press Enter. This will open the Microsoft Malicious Software Removal tool. Once the tool opens, you will see a simple screen with options to run a scan. You can choose Quick Scan to check the common places where malware usually hides, or you can choose Full Scan to scan your entire system. The full scan may take more time, but it checks everything. Click Next to start the scan, and the tool will automatically scan your computer for malware. If it finds anything, it will guide you on how to remove it safely. That's it. Running this scan regularly is an easy way to keep your Windows 11 PC safe and secure.